Best remote access software in 2025. You can use remote access software to securely access your PC or business resources, no matter where you are. Splashtop. Best remote access software overall. Zoho Assist. Best remote access software for value, affordability. AnyDesk. Best remote access software for unattended access. Remote PC HelpDesk. Best remote access software for running helpdesks. TeamViewer. Best free remote access software.